Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm doing an updated antique booth tour. My antique booth's name is Green Onion Vintage. I just brought in a bunch of new items and there's a lot of furniture in here you guys have not seen since my last tour. So let's just go ahead and get started. I am limited on battery tonight. I was not planning well to come take this video, but I'm going to go ahead and take you through everything as quick as I can. I don't even know what we had last time. It's been probably 3 weeks since my last antique booth tour. I've been crafting like crazy and my mom has been working on furniture like crazy. So I'm just going to start on this side. I know that window's new, that white door hanger, the round one is new. And then my mom brought in this chest of drawers, which is really cute. It's actually just like a dark stain on the frame and then with the natural drawer front. It's really pretty. And that is $180 in our booth. I kind of like to share prices with you guys because you watch from all over the world. And I know it's kind of interesting to hear what antiques go for in other parts of the world. So I kind of like to share that. I also have some shoppers on here from my local store. So say hello and tell me where you're from and where you're watching today. This yellow piece I featured on a recent video. So I'll try to link that below so you can kind of hear about how I made that piece and kind of got that painting effect. Down here we just have a bunch of different antiques that we've been refinishing, turning from trash to treasure. My mom brought in this little washstand. It's kind of painted like a really pale minty blue, which is really pretty. In the back there I still have that step ladder. We have some like architectural pieces kind of stuck in, some greenery. And then back there is a screen door that I've also featured in one of my DIY videos. So I wanted to make sure, definitely today, I didn't make a DIY video for this window, for the door hanger, and then I'm going to turn you around slowly to our other booth. I'm going to give you one last look over here. So I also made this big sign and didn't take the time to do a DIY video for it because I had to get it up here really quickly. And that is 4 feet tall and a little over 2 feet wide. And I had another one that I did in white and it was really beautiful. It just said home vertically and I had a wreath for the O. It was so pretty and it sold in one day. So I'm gonna have to make another one of those because I sold it for $95. I mean, it's a pretty tedious process to make those, but really worth it. I thought it was really pretty. And it's one of those things I can actually make a profit on, which I can't say about everything that I put in my booth. I have that family sign back there still, which I should move up. It's just a hassle, but maybe I'll do that after I tape this. Brought in that new blue enamel pitcher. And then we have this little chest of drawers here. I'll swing you around this way. I brought in that sign last week too. I thought that turned out so pretty. It's made out of like an old panel of a door or a cabinet. I just got that little preserved box wreath on it. So it's fun to get my Cricut out again because I actually stenciled those letters on. And for the one that I sold right away, I stenciled those letters too. And I haven't done that in a while, so that kind of felt nice to be doing that again. I just brought in that cute little house. We have that little statue there. I'm not sure if this white dresser was here last time. I gotta step way back so you can see it because it's really large. It's really awesome. I know my sign's kind of blocking it on the right, but that is a really big oversized mirror. The paint color is a Dixie Belle. It's called Sawmill Gravy, so it's not a true white. It's a little bit more of a gray, but it's a really, really pretty neutral color. And then this desk I completed in my most recent Trash to Treasure video. So make sure you go check that out. I actually did a few pieces in my house as well. I just love the finish of this with the natural drawers and the painted body. This color is a Dixie Belle color too. Oh gosh, dried sage. So it's actually like a really light grayish green. And then I did just a nice white inside. Brought in some new galvanized pieces. We have plenty of antique books bundled up. Featuring our copper right here. I just love this little washstand with the white gingham. This is a cobalt blue color on the secretary desk. It's really fun to have like this really true antique piece and kind of have like an Americana color on the body. So that's really cool. I just brought in this new pillow, which those are just pretty regular sellers for me. And then another new piece of furniture from last time is this buffet. And the original finish has been stripped off, so you can just see the natural wood on the drawers, and some of it's been distressed more than other parts, so you kind of get a really cool like different wood effect throughout the whole piece. And this is really cool. I actually grew up with this house, or with this piece of furniture in my house. My parents finally decided to part with it. Yeah, really cool. Lots of storage. It's got a mirror in the back. I have a window back there that I've made. I think I did that in one of my earlier DIY videos. This is an antique drawer that I decoupaged this old poster on. Well, not old. It's made to look old. It's actually a new poster. And I thought that turned out really cute. And that would be so cute, just like sit out on a table and you can put some decor inside of it. I just thought that was really nice for summer or even for fall. This is a new galvanized watering can for $26. Sorry, I forgot to tell you all the prices like I said I was going to. So this buffet is $3.50, which I mean it's a solid wood piece. And then I'll go back over here real quick. That dresser is $2.80. And then I ended up putting $2.10 on my desk. Even though I had a few people in my video say it should go for more like $2.50. But I just have to be reasonable for my area. I don't think I could get $2.50 for it. I haven't had really any bites on it at $2.10, so I don't know. I just kind of wait and find that right buyer. I know they're out there somewhere. I have this screen door here still. Just a little mini step ladder. I still have this piece, and I'm really puzzled about why, because it's $135, which is really fair for a dresser. I don't know. I think it's really cute. It's just one of those things that's going to wait here for a while until the right person comes along. I have a Longaberger basket. I try not to let like the lack of sales, like this item's been in here for a few months now. I don't really let it discourage me, just because like you really just have to wait for your right buyer. And after our crazy amount of sales a couple weeks ago where we sold things that have been sitting in here for months, like I just know it's a matter of time. And all you can really do is just keep working on new inventory. Also, rearranging your booth helps a ton. I mean, it really just helps things get seen that haven't been seen for a while, or even if you just move it a little bit, people will see it in a different way. We almost always get sales when we rearrange our booth, so I don't find it too discouraging. It's just a game of patience, and you know, sometimes you do have to mark your price down, but I wouldn't want to go any lower than $135, so I'm just gonna have to see what happens. Okay, I feel like I've been talking really fast. I'm sorry that this is such a short one, but I also feel like you guys don't necessarily want to sit out here all day and look at my stuff, but I don't know, maybe you do. I kind of like to look at it. After I leave, I always take pictures, and then I just go home and like look at the pictures forever and ever. Think about what I could rearrange differently, or just come up with a game plan for if something sells, what am I going to put in its place, all that kind of stuff. It was fun to get in here and kind of rearrange a little bit. We haven't moved the furniture around in a while though, so that'll be something we do probably in a couple weeks, and I'll try to video that for you. Hopefully you have some sales so we can get in some new furniture and show that to you as well. Alright, I'm going to let you go there. Thank you so much for watching again. Let me know how you like these antique booth tours and if I could do anything different for you next time. I really appreciate you guys watching today. Have a good one, guys. Bye.